Hello, in this video I'll show you how to render in the cloud. You go to the View tab, click Render in Cloud, continue, then you choose the view you're in, so in this case it's View 2, done, Still Image, Render Quality, Output Final, Image Size, Output Large. You can see that the credits, your Autodesk Cloud Revits, are being calculated here. Exposure, Advanced. Email me when complete. So when I tick here, once ready, I'll get an email from Autodesk. Render. So I'll click to continue in background, and then I continue to work while it's running in the cloud. I can see on the top my rendering, and I can go to the rendering progress if I click here. Thank you.